How to enable and get the dark mode on YouTube easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the dark mode on YouTube easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to youtube.com. Now log into your account. It's not necessary actually. Now if you want to enable the dark mode, all what you have to do is go to the top right here, click on your profile picture here, click on it, and now you will find those options right here. Go down and choose appearance, click on it, and now choose dark theme. And here you go, it's very easy actually. And if you want the light theme again, just click again here and go to the dark and click light theme. It's actually very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.